Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up WordPress in XAMPP. Start by downloading XAMPP and installing it with default settings. Next, enable Apache and MySQL from the XAMPP control panel. Create a new database via phpMyAdmin and note the username and password. Download WordPress, extract it into the htdocs folder, and rename the folder to your site name. Run the installer in your browser and complete site details. Open the XAMPP installer and follow the prompts to install Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Use default ports unless you have conflicts and allow firewall permissions. After installation, launch the XAMPP control panel and start Apache and MySQL services. Verify Apache serves the dashboard at http://localhost and phpMyAdmin at http://localhost/phpMyAdmin. If ports conflict, change Apache to 8080 and restart services before proceeding. Check logs for errors and consult community forums if needed. Quick recommendation: if you want a fresher ride while working on websites, try Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener for your car. It smells clean and long-lasting. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one quickly today. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Download the latest WordPress zip and extract it into XAMPP htdocs folder. Rename the folder to your site slug and set permissions if required. Open phpMyAdmin and create a database with UTF-8 MB for collation, then create a user with a strong password and grant all privileges. Visit http://localhost/your site and run the WordPress installer, entering the database name, username, and password when prompted to complete setup. After installation, log in and configure permalinks, themes, and essential plugins for security and backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.